Welcome to lesson 2 of the How to Build Your Personal AI System free course. I'm Dave Waring, your instructor and the co-creator of the Personal AI Architecture. We talked about how easy and simple the architecture is in the last lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you all the resources we give you and get you set up so we can start building. Let's jump in. The first resource is the Personal AI Architecture itself. It lives on the Personal AI Architecture GitHub under the architecture. Unlike most GitHub repos, this repo contains no code. It's the architecture itself written down, along with all the documentation you need to succeed. The first thing you'll find here are the specs, which are human-readable overviews of all of the different components that make up the architecture. If you want the most in-depth understanding of the architecture, start here with the foundation spec document. I know that most developers like to learn by doing, though, so I'm not expecting you to do much reading. This is why we provide token-optimized versions of these same documents for your AI coding agent in the AI docs folder. And the final thing you'll want to be aware of in this repo are the blueprints. The blueprints are in-depth guides your agent can reference when working on specific components, and they also include drift guards to make sure your AI coding agent always stays within the architecture. The next resource under the same GitHub is the TypeScript Template. It's a clone and run scaffold of all 4 components and the 2 APIs. This is what we'll be customizing to build your personal AI system on throughout this course. It also includes conformance tests to ensure that your coding agent always stays within the architecture. And the final resource is braindrive.ai. Braindrive is an MIT-licensed, user-owned AI system we built using the architecture. We'll be referencing Braindrive throughout the course as an example of a production-grade implementation of the personal AI architecture. If you're not interested in building your own AI system, you can just use Braindrive. Otherwise, it's a great reference example as you move forward in building and customizing your own AI system. Now let's get set up so we're ready to start building. We're going to do this the same way we do everything else in this course, by prompting our AI coding agent and letting it do the work for us. I'll be using Claude Code throughout the course, but the same steps should work with any AI-powered coding agent. All right, here's the prompt we're going to use. I'll include a link to this document in the description section of the video. And the first step is you just need to name your repo. If you don't have a GitHub account, they're free, and you just need to sign up at github.com. I'm going to name mine Dave's AI or Dave's AI. And once I've got that replaced, I just need to copy and paste it into my Claude Code. So I'll just copy this. I run Claude Code in my terminal, so I'm just going to paste in that prompt. And it's going to get started. And what it's going to do is it's going to see if I'm connected to GitHub. And if not, it's going to walk me through getting connected. It's going to fork both of the repos so we can start working on those. It's going to bring itself up to speed on all of the docs and prompts, etc. we have for your AI agent there, and install any dependencies that you need. So you really don't have to touch any code here. The AI coding agent is going to do it all for you because we've got all the prompts and everything already included on how to do that. And you can see it going through those steps here. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit because this might take a minute or two, and I'll be right back. All right, and the setup is complete, and you can see even the conformance tests that we have in that repo pass, so we know everything's good to go here, and we're ready to start coding. And that's what we're going to start doing in the next lesson. I'll see you there.